Welcome to another unboxing. Today we are looking at the Ugreen PD fast charging cable for iPhone, iPad and iPod. This is the USB-C to Lightning cable. The difference between the normal cable and this one mainly is because this has a L-shaped cable end, which makes it easier to hold the phone in landscape, and it will also take less space if you have a casing like in this one, where a normal cable would take up much space of the case, whereas a L-shaped one will easily fit inside the pouch and the cable can easily go out on the side. Also for gaming, if you are a gamer, it will be easier to hold the phone in landscape while charging the phone. Ugreen is a Chinese accessories manufacturer. I wouldn't be surprised if they are the original producer of branded accessories such as from Belkin or Anker, but I have purchased cables from Ugreen in the past and they have been relatively good quality, so I'm quite confident that this cable will also be of good quality. This one is off Amazon for £15. So let's get to the unboxing. The box is a paper box and the cable is in a plastic bag. Let's open it up. Otherwise inside is limited warranty or FCC statement from Ugreen with contact information. The specification is 3 ampere max, USB-C to Lightning. This one is a braided cable in black color and the tips are in gray. There's a Ugreen logo on the one end and also on the other end, but otherwise it's plain and it feels quite sturdy. So it's not a rubber cable, but instead a braided cable out of nylon, I suspect. And this one is the 1 meter version, but they also have a 2 meter version, which costs slightly more. So let's see if the charging works. I unplug the old one and plug in the new cable to the phone, and the other end I plug into the power bank and it's charging. So you can use it both ways, but this seems to be easier to use than the standard cable, and the standard cable is already not functioning properly because here on the tip some of the pins are damaged, therefore sometimes it won't charge properly. That's another reason why I got the new cable. As you can see here, if it's able to focus, there you can see the damaged pin. So hopefully this phone cable will last a bit longer. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.